Miele U1 upright cat and dog hoover. It's got a very, very generous length of lead, which is really useful because you don't need to keep plugging it and finding a new plug socket as you work your way around the house. It's not retractable, but it does hook nicely onto the hooks on the back of the machine. As you can see, it's quite a generous length. On the back of the machine, you've also got a selection of tools, which is really handy so that they're with you at all times when you're actually hoovering away. You've got quite a nice selection, and it's really handy that you can easily access them. Another one up here. The machine itself is quite heavy, so it is more of a challenge when you're taking it sort of up and down stairs. But actually when it's in use it does glide along, and it is quite lightweight, and it's got a good range of movement. It's also quiet compared to some machines when in use, so I'll just pop it on now. The other thing just to mention is that there's actually a little tab here so that you just press it down so that you can adjust the angle of the hoover. Ready for when you're in use. Right. You've also got a dial on the front so you can select between deep pile, low pile, smooth and curtains. And you've obviously got your on button and your carpet button. And then on the handle here you've got carpet and floor and the on off button. So I'll just pop it on now. It rotates quite nicely, glides along the floor. Got a really good suction power, so I do find it takes minimal effort. You've also got the option of detaching the nozzle here so that you can control the spaces. Set it down the sides of furniture. And then it just neatly clips back in. The other brilliant thing about this machine is that it will actually go completely flat, so that when you want to get under furniture, for example this chair, you can go completely flat with the machine and it will quite neatly and nicely fit under. The machine itself will rotate and move around, so it is quite easy to use in that sense. It is a really good machine. It does an incredibly good job of floors. It's great on both hard floors and carpet. It's really, really efficient, and it's one I would certainly highly recommend. It's also quite quiet compared to a lot of machines I've used.